In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Jobber free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can walk away confident that your trial won't roll into a paid subscription unexpectedly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Jobber. Sign into the same account used to start the trial. If you land on the home dashboard and see references to a trial, you're in the right place. This confirms you're viewing the correct workspace and that Jobber recognizes your account as being on a trial. Next, look for the account and billing area. On desktop, you'll typically find it by clicking your profile or company menu in the top right, then selecting Account and Billing. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first and scroll to find it. Give the page a moment to load. This section is where Jobber displays your plan details, billing status, and important dates tied to your trial. Here's the key point. Jobber's free trial automatically expires, so there's no separate cancel button to click. That means you don't need to submit a cancellation request to avoid charges. Instead, the trial will simply end on its own unless you actively choose a paid plan and enter billing information. On the account and billing page, look for any indication of your trial status and the expiry date. This is useful for peace of mind and for planning. Set a quick reminder so you know when access will change. If you've never added payment details, you won't be billed when the trial ends. If you did add them while exploring plans, make sure the page still shows you're on a trial and not on an active subscription. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If account and billing doesn't appear, double check that you're signed into the correct workspace or that you have permission to view billing. If the page looks cached or out of date, a quick refresh or signing out and back in can help. Also, keep an eye on your email. Jobber typically sends messages confirming your trial start and reminders near the end, which can be helpful records. That's it. Open Jobber, head to account and billing, verify your status, and let the trial expire on its own. No cancellation button, no extra steps. If anything seems off, review what the billing page says and consult Jobber's help resources for clarification. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident about wrapping up your Jobber trial without any surprises.